Welcome back to Time Freedom Formula. This is step one of the foundational distinctions of this module. So let me introduce you to the concept of purging. And this is what you're going to purge. Your mind is made up of a lot of thoughts, and they ricochet constantly. The more you have to do or the more you want to do, it gets overwhelming. And so purging is what's necessary to go to the next phase of the time freedom formula. So we're going to go into a purge list where you're going to see what's in your head and you're going to get it all out. So what we're going to do is create a space for you to do that. And it's going to be a safe space so that if you need it private or you need it accessible, that is the most important thing. Because if we don't find a safe place or a familiar place to leave it, where we can access it at any time, we aren't going to get it out of our head. So the whole point of this is create the purge and to find a safe place to put it. They go together. I've created this master purge list, and it's in a downloadable template folder that came along with this module. So feel free to either download this template, copy it or print it, or write it in a journal, whichever works best for you. The idea is that you're going to be working from it ongoingly. So today you'll be adding to it to put everything that's in your head. That might be 100 items, anything from cleaning your desk to solving world hunger. Whatever's in your head that you think about that's taking up space, you want to put it down here. And you want to just get it out. There are people who will want to organize this into personal, into business, or prioritize. That's not what this exercise is for. This exercise is to get it out of your head. If you want to do the fancy stuff and organize it later, you'll be able to add that task to your time freedom formula. So go ahead and just start writing. But keep it available because you are going to need to go into it when you want to pull from it and when you want to add to it. And this is what it'll look like. You'll just write down everything that comes to your mind, free flowing, get it all out. Even if you repeat yourself, it's okay. If it's small, if it's a big task, if you're not even sure you want to do it, just keep writing. You'll fix it all later. Just get it out if it's taking space. And when you think you're done, if you're not sure, just stop for a second and check yourself and say, is that all there is? Okay? And when you're done, then you're ready to go on to step 2. So I'll see you over there.